Imagine relying on daily medication, but struggling to identify the right bottle due to vision loss. This is the harsh reality for many, but one Vancouver teen is turning this challenge into a groundbreaking solution. Meet Elvin Nguyen, a 15-year-old innovator who's tackling medication accessibility head-on. And his idea is simpler yet more revolutionary than you might think. But here's where it gets controversial. While high-tech solutions like smart glasses exist, they're not always reliable. Brett Devoo, a visually impaired teen who relies on daily medication, knows this all too well. "I've always found my own ways to make things accessible," he shares. "I use different kinds of tape to distinguish pill bottles like hockey stick tape. It's a workaround, but it's not ideal." Nguyen's inspiration came from a friend facing similar struggles. He couldn't read medication labels clearly, and it affected his ability to take the right pills. Nguyen explains. This sparked his idea for the Science Fair Foundation's Youth Innovation Showcase. 3D printed Braille labels for medication bottles. "I programmed it to convert text into Braille," he says. "Once a bottle is labeled, no additional devices are needed. It's accessible to anyone, anywhere." And this is the part most people miss. While digital tools like phone apps or Script Talk, a system that reads labels aloud, exist, awareness and accessibility remain major hurdles. Only 20% of Vancouver pharmacies offer Script Talk, and just 2% of Canadians with vision loss use it. Even worse, many have never heard of it. Pharmacies just hand you a bag of bottles and say, "Here you go, Devoo laments." They're all the same shape. How am I supposed to tell them apart? Nguyen's Braille labels could be a game changer, promoting independence without relying on technology. Do you want to pull out your phone every time you need medication, or just run your fingers over Braille and take it? He asks. Tommy Leung, spokesperson for the Canadian National Institute for the Blind, agrees. Technologies like these are crucial for guaranteeing independence. Here's the bold question. Why are more pharmacies adopting solutions like Nguyen's? Is it a lack of awareness, cost, or something else? And could Braille labels truly replace high-tech alternatives? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. This conversation is far from over,